Hello everyone, welcome to Yun's Baduk Cafe. This time we are going to learn 3 hidden sacrifice skills. You will discover how to use just one stone as a sacrifice to escape from danger. After you learn these techniques, don't forget to review them a few times. It will be super useful. Let's learn. The first technique is cut and cut. We will see. So number 1, black to play. Now black has a problem here with cutting. So we want to here connect and same time separate the 2 stones. How can we do that? If you play just like this, then white can connect, there is nothing. And if you play it like this, there is a cutting point. Of course, there is a code, but we can solve both problems. Many people think, okay, I can play Hane first, but the problem doesn't change. You can see here A and B. So now it's time to use the sacrifice only one stone. Now you notice that, great, here you can cut. Oh, should I give my stone? Of course, it's a good way to cut. Then you can protect this cutting point. You see? So white has to capture, then you connect your stones and same time cut the 2 stones. That's great, right? This technique we can practice 3 more times. Okay, number 2. So now if black plays there, white can connect. So there is nothing we can do. Or if black cuts here, cutting point, there is nothing for black. Then you think about this move, but it doesn't change because of A and B miai. So again, it's time to use the cutting. Where is the cutting? Here. Oh, it's a nice move. If white plays there, we can come in and then connect. Ah, so nice. Or if white captures, it's even better for black because white has to save this group again like this. You see? So the cutting is really horrible for white, I mean. So now, number 3 is a little bit difficult. So we have to prepare like number 2. Now, where is the cutting point? Here. But if you play just like this, there is nothing. And just like this, there is nothing. This cutting doesn't work. That's it. So in this case, we can use the cutting point 2 times. So here cut. And then many people think about this move, but there is nothing. Miai again. So now we can cut like upper side here. But that looks a little bit different because of that. But there is a snapback. Oh. Or if you capture, it's sente, then black can cut the 4 stones, which is so good for black. So then you say here, but black can come in because it's shortage of liberty. So usually like that, then black can separate the 3 stones. Cool, right? Cut and cut. But usually we miss like this. I know. Okay, so number 4, we can use exactly the same technique. So now you found cutting point number 4. Yes, there is a cutting point. If you play just like this, then white can extend, there is nothing. Or if you play Hane, white wouldn't cut because of cutting point. White will connect like this. So we have to do something. Many of my students play like this and then this, but that's it, like that. Better cut. Then white has to capture and cut again, not hane. See, where is the cutting point? Here, and capture and cut. Not like this because it's ko. Better cut immediately. So that's it. How nice. So you can see here, all 4 problems have same technique. Using 1 or sometimes 2 stones for preparing and then separate. We can see this situation often in our game, but we don't see, we don't notice in the game. All right, then next technique is also cut. Cut first and think. So now we can use 1 or 2 stones to capture white stones. For example, these 4 stones we can capture. Also these 4 stones. And here 2 stones. It's important stones. Oh, how? It's getting difficult. Number 1, so the 2 stones are in danger. If we play easily like that, nothing, right? So you know we have to cut. Yes, here. There's cutting point and this. But now, many of my students or player play this kusumi because it looks nice, but there's nothing. Here, either hane and atari, black cannot connect, that means like this, or capture. Black cannot kill the 4 stones. So the kusumi is very bad exchange. So in this case, we have to prepare once more here. Extend, that means here, don't kusumi, don't play atari, just hane and connect. You see, white cannot play there. Shortage of liberty. So white has to connect and take liberty, and white needs to capture and black wins. One more time. Here we have to cut, not kusumi, then just connect and nothing. Okay, so we need to cut, and in this case extend because white cannot play there. But if you don't exchange this one, white can play there and capture. So in this case, not hane, we have to extend and using shortage over liberties. That's it. Great. Number 2, it's almost same. So if you play the normal way like this, black cannot win. So black needs to use 1 stone here, then white has to play there. Don't play kusumi because you will lose the semi-eye. So important thing is just play hane. In this case, you don't need to play there. You can play there. It's also good because white cannot play there. But in this case, anyway, white cannot play there. So you don't need to give 1 more stones. Like this, like that. Actually simple. If you know this technique, cut and hane, then you can kill the 4 stone. It's amazing, right? Of course, white can play there. Maybe it's better, but black can destroy whole the left side and corner and cut the 2 stones. All right. So number 3. So black's group is in danger. Not 2 eyes. That means we have to maybe kill these 2 stones. But if we use this technique, cutting and sacrifice and shortage of liberty, we can save this group. First, cut. See, there are 2 possibilities to answer. Either atari there or atari the lower side. What do you prefer? We will check both. Here, in this case, we have to extend again like number 1. Then white cannot play there, white has to play there. Then atari sente, it's important to play here, throw in. And atari. Oh, white cannot connect. That means here, play somewhere, and this group is alive, right? But if you play just like this, that's also possible. Throw in and atari, and then extend. Oh, it's also possible. Okay, and here, what can we do? Once more, and atari. I told you, throw in is very important. Throw in and atari. What happens if white connects? You know this skill? Capture and throw in. It's snap back both sides. So, poor white. That means here, white cannot answer and like this, whatever like that. So, this group is alive. Yeah. So, yeah, it doesn't matter where. You can save this group easily. Right? Cut. Okay, number 4. This is more difficult. For example, we think, okay, there are 2 cutting points or 3. I mean, this cut, or this cut. Which is correct? B? No. B is obviously wrong. There is nothing black can do. B is wrong. No. How about C? C looks maybe good, like this and this. It's like number 2. Number 2 is similar. Then if white plays there, then we can play hane and capture the 2 stone. That would be perfect. But be careful. In this case, white can give just 1 stone and then like this. So black has only 1 eye. Oh, you didn't think about it. For that reason, it's better cut first here. In this case, white has to play there and then cut and hane. Don't play kusumi. I told you, that's it. So play just hane. It's very elegant. Okay, so in this case, C is wrong, D is correct. If white plays there, you can capture 1 stone and no time to play there because this group is not alive. So white has to play there, then black can save. Okay, this page we learned cut and use shortage of liberty. Perfect. The last skills. So in this case, not cutting. Attachment is important. So number 1. So now black has a big problem because if black plays there, white can connect. If black plays there, white can connect. So this group is not alive. It's dead. But there is really nice technique, attachment. Where? Here. Oh, what's this? I'm using 1 stone because white has played there. Then save this group easily or capture. Or, okay, then I want to answer either there or there. Then we prepare to cut the 3 stones. But if you don't exchange, after that this, no one wants to play there. So white can kill the black's group. So it's preparing. And if white plays there, atari is sente, and then cut again. Great skill, right? So now we can do ourselves number 2. So the problem is number 2. If you play there, white can cut. Then the group is in danger or dead. I think it's that. And if you play there, white can connect. But we can use this same technique. Yeah, you notice that here, if white connects, then you prepare to cut here. And if white plays there, you can cut here. Maybe you want to know, oh, what happened, Young-sun, if white cut? I thought about that too, and then here, and this, and this. And if white connects, throw-in is sente, and then black can save. Or you say, okay, then I connects, but here is sente, and this is also sente, you see? And then save again. Or throw in, and then like this. That's usually very good move. But in this case, black can save again. Yeah. So this is amazing attachment skill to save. Okay. Then number 3, same way. You have same problem. Here, white can kill these stones. So you want to connect. I mean, if you connect, your whole group is dead. So it's time to use attachment. Yes, here. If white plays there, we have time to connect, which is nice. Or if white capture, so you prepare to cut here. Great, it's so simple. Okay, number 4. This is a little harder. So now black 4 stones are in danger. So we need to save either this move or this move. Yeah, this one is simple for white because white can play there and cut and capture like this. And you say, oh, Young-sun, I can connect like this. You're right, you can connect, but it's not the best way. So for black, it's better to play there. And after this, we have 2 problems, A and B, but not problem anymore. You know now, right? So where is the attachment? Here. After this, it's sente and kill and connect both. Or if white plays there, connect and cut. Yeah, so with this move, you can not only save your group, also kill white's group. So nice. And if black plays there, you can play there and then cut. So you can at least capture and save your group like that. All right. So here we learned amazing attachment sacrifice. Okay, I hope it helped a lot, and yeah, I recommend you practice these problems several times. Thank you for watching my lecture, and hope to see you next lecture. 안녕. Bye.